Hey, so did you ever want to, when you find a web page, did you ever want to be able to save it, to do a screen capture of it, either to archive it, or say you're going to buy a product and you want to take a copy of the sales page because you want to make sure that if they change something like a guarantee or whatever, that you actually have a copy of what you were looking at the day you bought it? Well, you're in luck because I found something that's a free extension for your Chrome web browser. Now, you have to be able to use Chrome to use this tip, but if you do, let me show you what you can do. So we'll go over here to Chrome, the Chrome Store, and we're going to look for something called the full page screen capture. You can put it in here, search the store. I've already found it here. Full page screen capture, it's an extension for the Chrome web browser. It's got over 39,000 reviews. It's 5 stars. It's got over 3.6 million users, so it's actually pretty good. And I've already installed it. Here it says remove from Chrome, but it'll say install. You install it. You allow for the, whatever requirements they need. I think they need to write to your computer because you're going to save images. And then it adds a little widget up here, which here is the full page screen capture widget. So if you go to a web page, say here, David Fearon's Marketplace Mastery. It's a sales page. I talked about it a couple days ago. Say you were thinking about buying this, but you wanted to save a copy of this web page just in case. What you can do is you come to the page, you come up here to the full page screen capture, has access to the site. You click on it, and then the little Pac-Man will come out, and he'll eat up the web page. No, actually just saving it. And what it basically does is it scrolls down, captures everything. It's one single image. It's pretty cool. Let's wait here a second. It's working its way. And then once it's done being Pac-Man, it'll show you. And there's the whole website in one file. Now, if the website's even longer than this one, it will actually separate it into multiple files. So don't be surprised the first time you try to do it. So you can see if I click on this, it's basically the whole thing, but it's saved as a graphic. And then you come up here. Now, there's a couple things. Now, this is a freemium type extension because if you want to crop, edit, annotate, or export, it's premium. However, you get quite a few features. You can still save this entire capture as a PDF or as an image, and then it actually keeps track of all the ones you've done, so it keeps them in a buffer. And there's also some options to set up settings. But in this case, say I just want to save it as an image, I can click download image. It'll come to my page here. Let's go to screen caps. I'll just drop them here at my other screen caps. And it's just saved right there. So then if I open it up, it's right now on my computer and it opens up, and then I can even look at this in complete full size. And then you can also save it as a PDF if you want, if you want to have that option as well. Now if you click on it, it takes a minute, but it'll also save it as a PDF so that you can then if you'd rather save it as that. I tend to save it as both if I really want it. And then it does break it up into pages, so you might have some weird, like there, it cuts the graphic, it literally just goes straight through. But if for some reason you want it in PDF form, you can do that too. And that's really it. But it's a great free tool. I've been using it forever. And actually, as far as editing goes, it's save it as a PNG. So at that point, you can pretty much open it up in any program and do changes. So if you just want to do a chunk of it, you can come through and open this up in something else. And if you just wanted to save a section, you could take it and crop it in another program. But the hardest part is getting it captured. And this full page screen capture is an excellent thing. I've probably been using it for over a year. I've never had problems with it. And honestly, it's one of the tools I keep in my tool belt whenever I'm doing anything online. So this is Steve Chase. I hope that tip helped you. And if you have any comments or questions, just put a comment down in the descriptions below here, the video. Also, please like and subscribe this video. I always appreciate that. I'm trying to build a web channel and a YouTube channel, and I always love people who want to have good access to good free advice on how to benefit your marketing efforts. So you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.